Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit pictures on LinkedIn. This is a great way to make your posts more professional and eye-catching before sharing them with your network. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage where you can see all your feed and updates. Now look for the section that says Start a Post. This is typically located at the top of your feed and is where you create new content to share with your connections. Right underneath this option, you'll notice a few icons. Click on Photo. This will allow you to upload an image that you want to edit and share. A file browser will pop up. Navigate to the location where your desired photo is saved and select it to upload. Once the photo is uploaded, you'll see it appear in the post creation window. Now here's where the editing begins. Look carefully at the uploaded photo and you'll spot a small pencil icon positioned underneath it. Click on this pencil icon to access LinkedIn's built-in photo editing tools. The first editing option you'll see is Crop. This is where you can make adjustments to how your image is framed. You can rotate the image if it's not oriented correctly or flip it horizontally or vertically depending on your needs. Additionally, you can adjust the aspect ratio to fit different formats. For example, you might choose square for a balanced look, 4:1 for a wide banner style, or 3:4 for a vertical format. You also have the option to adjust the zoom level to focus on specific parts of the image and straighten it if it appears tilted. Once you're satisfied with the cropping, click on Filter. This section offers a variety of preset filters that can completely change the mood and tone of your image. Browse through the available filters and select one that enhances your photo. When you find the one you like, click Apply to save that filter to your image. Next, click on Adjust. This is where you get more granular control over your image. Here you can fine-tune the brightness to make your photo lighter or darker, adjust the contrast to make colors pop or soften them, tweak the saturation to make colors more vibrant or muted, and add a vignette effect to draw attention to the center of your image. Take your time experimenting with these settings until your image looks exactly how you want it. Once you're done, click Apply to confirm your adjustments. Now that all your edits are complete, click the back button and then click Next. This will take you to the final step where you can add a caption, tag people, and customize who can see your post. When everything looks good, go ahead and post your image. And that's it. You've successfully edited and posted a picture on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.